In this video, I will be showing you how to create thank you cards in Canva. Let's get started. Starting with a blank canvas, I head to the Elements tab on the left to find a focal point for the card. I'll type thank you into the search bar and begin browsing through the available graphics. There are so many different styles to choose from, but I'm looking for something with a nice handwritten feel. I'll scroll through the results until I find a script that stands out. Once I find the right one, I click to add it to my page and immediately drag the corners to scale it up, making sure it's nice and centered. Now, I want to add some illustrative elements to give the card more personality. I'll continue scrolling through the graphics to find something friendly and inviting. I find a cute illustration of a character bowing, so I'll add that to the canvas, move it to the bottom, and adjust the size. To find a companion piece, I'll change my search query to thankful. This gives me a fresh set of illustrations to work with. I'll select this second character and place them right next to the first one, resizing them so they look like a matched set. I've decided that the main thank you could be even more impactful, so I'll go back to my recent searches to find something bolder. I'll browse the graphics again until I find a more decorative, stylized version. I'll delete my original text and bring this new one in, scaling it up significantly to fill the center of the card. Now I just need to reposition my characters so they sit nicely alongside the new larger text. While I have the graphic selected, I'll look through the edit options to see if any shadows or effects help it pop. I'll continue to fine-tune the placement of the boy and girl characters, overlapping them slightly to create a more cohesive scene. If one character is being hidden, I can simply right-click, open the layer menu, and bring them to the front. I'll do one last search for thankful to see if there are any tiny decorative details I can add. I'll scroll through the options until I find a small icon that works. I'll shrink it down and place it above the letter N. It's these small touches that really make a design look professional. Finally, I'll adjust the overall spacing one last time to ensure everything is perfectly balanced. Creating your own custom thank you cards is a simple and thoughtful way to show your appreciation.